One. Hello everyone.
लाउडली बोलिए।
और तेज बोलना है? ठीक है, तो माइक में थोड़ा इधर आ जाती हूँ, है ना? कुछ ठीक रहेगा। ठीक ठीक है। Hello everyone. Today we have gathered here for this WHD event, and here we have with us Dr. Katika Chattopadhyay. She is the HOD Professor Psychiatry, Head of Research and Development Cell at Baxen Homeopathic Medical College. So ma'am, I would like to ask you a question here. My first question would be, what is the future of homeopathy under the umbrella of integrative medicine in India?
Future of homeopathy is very bright because as we know, being homeopath, it is the ideal way of treatment, but there are so many scopes and limitation for all the pathies. In the same way, homeopathy also has some limitations, and this is the right time when through different scientific publications and research work, allopath, the physician of modern medicine, came to know we are very scientific. So it is the right time. They are cordially inviting us to do the work hand in hand. Especially we have found it in COVID time. So they have realized. So this is the right time to work in under the integrated umbrella. So we can do the best for the sake of health of our community.
Ma'am, also we would like to know that as it is, homeopathy is a part of Ayush. So we have different systems of medicine, the Ayush systems of medicines working together. But then as per you, how can we within ourselves collaborate in terms of this integrative medicine? In between ourselves, like
for us working with yoga, it is non-interventional pathy, so working with yoga is very good. In the same way, acupuncture, acupressure, all these things are there which can help us. And for Ayurveda, we can go for add-on therapy, and in the say like conventional, we can go for add-on therapy. So in that way we can work with intra-Ayush also. Along with homeopathy, we can go for study with research work with Ayurveda and yoga, etc.
Okay, ma'am. And lastly, what are the suggestions that you would like to give us in conducting this event?
This events in this odd time, COVID time, it is at par, and I think it is only CCRH. This is the authority of homeopathy in India. So we always with CCRH, we work with CCRH, we follow it. So it is enough. It is enough in this odd situation.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You would like to conclude this? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.